G'day, Peter Hobson from Omni Australia. Just going to show you the process to clean up the slide for the headpiece. We've had a couple of folks say that they're unsure what to do. So keep watching. Okay, first thing is loosen off the headpiece. You can remove the headpiece completely out of the way. Second step is raise the slide as far as it will, almost as far as it will go. Then if you remove this bolt here, it'll allow us to take the slide all the way out completely. With our newer tables, we have been putting clips onto the headpiece to ensure that the gas strut can't just fall out. So just remove that. And we'll just put that aside. So what we're going to do now is going to raise the slide completely, and you remove the slide altogether. So what will happen is there'll be a build-up of gunk through here, depending how long since you've cleaned it. The easiest way is just get a cloth, wipe off all the excessive gunk. 80 to 90% of all dust is human skin. So you're just going to move it, make sure the slide's completely clean or clear. And then what we do is we place Vaseline on the slide. As Vaseline is biodegradable, it can just be washed out in the wash. We don't want any heavy duty grease. From here, we'll take the gas strut out. And what happens is you've now got this slide mechanism. And the easiest way to do it is just get a cloth, fold it over, and then glide up and down all the way the full length of one slide and full length of the other slide to remove all of the dust and grease that's in there. And again, just lightly coat with Vaseline. You'll see a layer of Vaseline just sitting here for this slide at the moment. And then it's just a complete reversal of that process. So the longer you left the tables, of course, the dirtier they get. Gas strut back in. Take the slide mechanism. We'll then replace the locking nut or locking from here. We're just going to drop the headpiece down just a fraction. We're going to replace this nut that we removed earlier, and that's what allows the slide to be removed completely. You just need to have a bit of tension on that, not too much, so that it can't be removed. Here we then replace the headpiece. Make sure you don't lose your and again, with the weight of the headpiece back on and making sure you push from this direction, it becomes much easier to drop it down. And that's the process for cleaning the slide and the channel for the slide.